channel. I'm Kennedy and this is actually my first video, and it's just a little tutorial on how I got this look, this little glossy lid. So if you want to see how I got it, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so first I'm just going to start by putting my hair back so I can keep it out of my face for the makeup. Now I'm going to get into the brows, and for the brows I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony to draw them on because I don't have eyebrows. Here, I'm just going in with a little bit of concealer to clean up the brows. For primer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pore Blur Primer. Now I'm using the NYX Pigment Eyeshadow Primer, and I'm putting that around my smile lines to kind of help decrease the creasing that usually happens when I apply my foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth in the shade Coconut, and I'm just going to blend that out with my Beauty Blender. For concealer, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I like to let that sit on my face while I apply contour. For my contour, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cocoa. I just blend everything out with my Beauty Blender, and I actually go and blend out the concealer underneath my eyes last because I like to let it sit for the longest. I feel like it gives the most coverage. First, I blend out my concealer with a flat foundation brush, and that's just to kind of help with the coverage a little bit more, and then after that I go in and fully blend it out with a Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to bake underneath my eyes, and for that I'm using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Terracotta. While I let that set for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and contour with a powder contour, and for that I'm using the Morphe Bronzer in the shade Showmance. Now to dust off that baking powder, I'm tapping into my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Truffle to dust it off, and then I'm going to go ahead and use a Beauty Blender to blend everything in. Now to set my whole face, I'm using that same Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just applying that all over my face so that I can kind of get rid of any oiliness and help set the foundation a little bit more. Now I'm going to apply bronzer. For that, I'm using that same little Morphe Bronzer palette, except this time I'm using the bronzer side instead of the contour side. Now I'm all done with my face for now, so I'm going to go ahead and set it with the Maybelline Lasting Fix Makeup Setting Spray, and I'm going to blend everything together one more time before I get into the eyes. To prime my eyes, I'm first going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Cocoa. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the Morphe 39A palette for the entire look, and I'm just going to start off by setting the concealer with this light brown. Now I'm just going to apply a bunch of dark browns to my lid, and I'm going to blend those out with a burnt orange to create a smoked out effect. And here I'm just doing the same thing to create the same effect on my lower lash line. Now it's time to add the lip gloss, and for that I'm just using this lip oil I bought from my beauty supply store. It was only like $2.99, and I'm gonna apply that with a flat brush all over my lid. For lashes, I'm using the Eben New York Wildcat Cat Eye 3D Lash in the style Princess. For highlight, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glow Nude Highlighter Palette, and I'm going to go in with the darkest one, and I'm just going to apply that to all the high points on my face. Now for lip liner, I'm just going to go in with this dark brown lip liner that I bought from my beauty supply store. And now for lip gloss, I'm using my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline. That's it for the look, so now I'm just going to apply some setting spray and I'm all done. Okay, that was it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.